Thunderbird time here at Unique, especially in classics. 1961 Ford Thunderbird 2-door hardtop. Bullet nose variety. Of course, underneath the hood, 390 V8, and that is paired up with a 3-speed Cruise-O-Matic. Automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes as far as equipment also underneath the hood. Should take a look at this front bumper. Headlights, surrounds, and grille. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside with the engine bay, the interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, you can call us at 507-386-1726. You take a look down the passenger side of this car. You can see looks pretty darn straight. This car has had a repaint along the way. Interior appears to be in its original colors of the white and saddle or white and tan. And we'll get around to the driver's side. Let's take a little closer look at the interior. Bucket seats, center console, but you do have the shifter up on the column. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There is a car cover that will go along with this car that is in the trunk. And if you'd like to see what the trunk looks like, as well as the undersides and interior we talked about, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You should take a look at the rear chrome. Get a look at that. And again, the pictures will have this car from every different angle. There's probably close to 100 pictures online of this vehicle. Go ahead and go down the driver's side of this car. Nice thing about this car is it's priced accordingly, and you can get into this, get in the classic car hobby without breaking the bank. There were a couple things as far as the technicians in the back noted. The brakes may need new pads near future, need a little attention, and a little bit of suspension components. And again, we do fill out a inspection sheet, and you can sure go over that and consult with your sales associate. They would have access to that copy of the sheet. But the car runs nice, drives out fine. Like I said, just may need a little attention down the road, but again, priced accordingly. Get into the classic car hobby again without breaking the bank. All right, let's go ahead and start this up. Did play around with the radio. I did not have the radio working, did have the wipers working. Gas gauge does work. Odometer reads 78,291. Unfortunately, I can't confirm or deny if that is the correct miles. Once the car is so old, the miles will not stay with the title or on the title. Vinyl appears to be in decent shape, front and rear. And as you can see, the dash also. Headliner, also in nice shape. Check out the rear seats. Hood release is under the dash in this one. I'm going to pull that. I'm going to slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Say about what you'd expect out of a 61 T-Bird. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to get the hood the rest of the way up. We'll check out that engine bay and wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here's that 390. Looking like a pretty stock original engine bay. When I mentioned the car had a repaint, this was the original color of the car, kind of that medium gray or light gray. And again, power steering, power brakes as far as equipment. But smooth runner, sounds good. Like I say in these videos, sometimes what you don't hear, that's the best. Very quiet underneath that hood, smooth running. 1961 Ford Thunderbird 2-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.